Hey, my name is Tyson Asay, and today we talked about dressing for success. So a couple of the key things, I would say probably the biggest important things about dressing for success is doing your research on where you're attending. Who are the people that are going to be there? If you're interviewing, at that company, what types of dress do they wear? And wherever you're going, just make sure that you understand what types of dress is going to be there and try to match that as close as possible. Some other things to keep in mind is we talked a little bit about colors that you can add to your attire that potentially can create a different feeling to the people that you're presenting yourself to. So we talked about red, potentially is a symbol of action, potentially a power color. Green is an idea for growth. Blue we talked about is a great color to wear if you're going to give a speech or something like that. So overall, we did actually do some learning how to do ties, but that's a little bit long for this conversation. But the key is to really know your audience and try to match that as close as possible to give yourself a relatability to them and help them feel as comfortable as possible with you. So that's my tip for the day.